We are going to talk about this little USB-C type docking station. Amazing, is doing a lot right now for me. I have already powered up with the 20 volt power supply, and I have connected only one USB-C cable as a hosting my MacBook, and also charging my keyboard, RGB rechargeable keyboard and mouse. It also charging my phone right now. It's also charging MacBook. It also powering up this mouse pad right now. And also I have connected my keyboard and mouse with my MacBook via a USB little transmitter. I'm also able to use same time three different external monitors. Now let's jump to this device. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljeet from JK. Welcome on my channel, and this video we are going to take a look into USB-C type docking station. This one made by EUASOO. I will leave also all information in the description if you want to take a look. This one comes in this box. We will open box and see what we get inside the box. I have already hooked up, tested some of the ports. I see something a little bit like tricky. We will talk about it. We will also go through all the specification. If you have a MacBook like I have a MacBook 16-inch, you will not have any other port except than USB-C. This one comes with the 4 USB-C ports, so you have to get some kind of a USB hub or docking station to connect multiple things. Like I'm going to use my external monitor over here. I also connect USB drives. I'm gonna also connect a USB mouse, stuff like. You need something like that. If you look at this one, cost about like $110 on Amazon. If you are looking for something cheaper, I have a video made already before, and you can leave it in this corner. Like I have a link here in this corner. You can see that video. If you looking for that one, was like a USB hub, portable. You can take it anywhere. It was cost about like maybe $25-30. If you are looking for more better, this one is a 16-in-1, so you can connect one cable to your MacBook and you are able to connect 16 things at the same time. So this wall is good for you, but this one is not like portable. You have to keep it here. We have to hook up a power adapter to this one. That's the way one cable is going to do everything for us. One cable is going to transfer all the data from other devices. We are going to connect with this one. It's also going to charge your MacBook. So basically you don't have to connect nothing to your MacBook, just only one cable. So now let's first open box, and then we will come back here and check how to connect and whatever. So now let's open this box. It comes in this box, as you can see, really nice packed box. You have some instruction manuals, thank you, some free extended warranty for 12 months. And you open, you see you have a USB-C docking station inside. It's not that big. It have a 4.7 inch this way and 2-inch thick. And this side, we got all the cables, power adapter. It's gonna have a bigger power adapter because it has to charge some USB-C cable where we gonna connect it. Like say, we have a 110 volt cable. You can use anywhere. Input is 110 voltage to 240. Output is 20 volt, 3.25 amp, 65 watts. So that's power adapter comes with it. Now let's open, see what is inside. So now look around the body. Let's talk about a little bit more about the how many ports do you have. It's called 16-in-1. So for this side, we have a power adapter cable, USB-C. You can charge your MacBook from here. Ethernet Gigabit, USB-C 3.0. You have a DP display port. You have a HDMI 3 USB, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, USB 2.0. It's one like a serial VGA. In the back side, we have a SD card, micro SD card, microphone, audio jack, and we have a Mac. We also have a two USB 3 ports behind it. So that's all. Now we are going to hook up. We also will read some specification. Power, I have a hookup on one side to 120 volt receptacle, and other side I'm going to plug here. So far I see one light on that side. It's like a power indication, tells you got a power. So now we have a checked already, open box already. We see what we got inside, but I have missed one thing. When I was testing, I was trying to use my USB-C cable comes with my MacBook, but it didn't work. So I was really surprised. I thought maybe this device is not working, but then I go through instruction manual. It told me I have to use USB-C cable comes with this device. So then I opened my box again. I checked. I found this little like 3 feet, about 3.5 feet USB-C cable. I connect to the port where say host, and I connect other end to my MacBook. Then I was able to connect my display. And I also have a checked already all the USB, all the ports are everything working perfect right now. Only one thing I didn't able to make it work correctly is HDMI cable. I connect HDMI cable here and I connect to my screen. It was keep blinking, like it doesn't give me solid signal. Like right now I'm using a VGA cable because that's only available. After that, I believe my HDMI cable is not that good. I'm just using for simply was sitting here. So now I'm going to use it professionally. I'm going to buy another monitor. Probably I'm going to buy good cable stuff. But just this video is only about this device. Now let's talk about some of this device specification. This one is a 4.7 inch this way, 4.7 inch this way, and 2-inch thick. So that's the size. If you look in the front, we have two USB 3.0 ports. We have a headphone jack. We also have a mic jack. We also have a micro SD card slot and SD card slot. And the back side, we have a VGA connector. We have a DP connection here for display. We also have a HDMI. So basically we can connect three monitors, three external monitors at the same time. Power goes to this device. I have a power adapter with it. We are connecting here. USB-C is its host connected over here. Then we have a Gigabit Ethernet cable. You can also connect another device with USB-C cable. This one is not a host. Host is only one. Then we have a USB 3.0. Then we have two USB 2.0s. I will also leave all information in the description so you can read if I missed something. So basically, we have a connector MacBook and we have a 16 already other ports like USB, HDMI, and other one. So as we have talked already, I tried to use my MacBook. Original cable comes with my MacBook to connect at the host, but it didn't connect anything. So it was charging my MacBook, but it's not doing anything. So now as you can see, my MacBook is charging. I have a display already over here. So this one is external. We can go here and we can go to preference, system preference, then display. So from here you can do like this one. Actually my other display is not mirroring. So to mirroring, we can do arrangement over here. You can just simply click on mirror option. Now they both are look like same. That's other settings you can make it. You can make a MacBook display compatible with this one, or this display compatible with your MacBook. Now our MacBook is charging. We can also close our lid. So this screen might gonna blink and come back, so we can use our MacBook without even lid open. So as you can see, I'm also going to hook up some USB keyboard and mouse and see if we are able to use that one. So now I can also use my USB wireless keyboard and mouse. If you are looking for keyboard mouse, I also have a video for this keyboard and mouse with the pad. I will also leave a link in description for this one. You can watch if you want to look into this one. So now let's talk a little bit about if I'm able to use my keyboard and mouse correctly. so far it's working. That's I all needed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave my MacBook on the side so I will be able to use my keyboard, mouse, and external monitor. So now I will be reading some of the specification about this device. We have already talked about it. USB-C type, you can connect host USB-C type to connect such a UDesk, a mouse, keyboard. Does not it doesn't support like alternate mode. You cannot connect another device. We have HDMI ports. You can up to 4K, DP, 4K. This one I can tell when I have a connected HDMI that my display was really great, but this VGA is not a 4K. This one is only 1080p. We have also connect HDMI cable, so you will see what I'm talking about. So actually we have talked all about it. You don't have to do nothing, just plug and play. I have a plugged power adapter, like a 20 volt power adapter to this one, and it's doing everything for me. Now I'm going to show you a little bit like how I did when I have connected my unbranded HDMI cable. Okay, so now I have this HDMI cable I was using earlier. As I thought, this one didn't work the way I want to. I'll show you what issue I have. I'm not sure, maybe the cable is like unbranded, it's not a good cable. I disconnected already this one, so my monitor isn't confused because it's already going to be out of sync. Let's see. Hope I might need to open my display again, see what happened. I'm not sure this time. It shows me here connected. Let's see if it's gonna sync. Okay, here we go. Let's see if it's gonna do anything. Earlier when I connected my, see, here we go. I believe my cable is not good because this is unbranded. It's not a good cable. That's why it's doing like that. Otherwise, everything perfect. I will also add later on description when I bar my better HDMI cable. If there's anything, I will leave I will add it in the description. So as I cannot edit in video, but I will keep editing anything I found something wrong. I will keep putting in a description. So far that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.